Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, hi, my name is Cindy and I would love to have you a part of my YouTube family. If you like organization videos as much as I do, please consider subscribing and hit that notification bell so you're notified as soon as I upload a new video. As you know, for the title of the video, we are organizing the master bedroom linen closet, which has been like that since we moved. It has been a drop zone, but we are going to fix that issue today. As I always say in each organization video, it's good to remove everything that you have so you can take inventory, so you can clean and take some measurements before buying any organization items. For the most part, linen closets are typically small and we tend to have a lot of towels and a lot of bed sheets. And this is why it's so important to declutter your space. Avoid overstuffing your closet by relocating a few key items. Our guest room, for example, contains my comforters, pillows, and extra sheets. After measuring my shelves, I took a trip to HomeGoods and found these beautiful baskets. It's good to mention that Ross, HomeGoods, TJ Maxx, and Marshalls are the stores to find affordable baskets. I fell in love with these rib design that is so on trend right now and a little bit different from your typical woven baskets. So before going to the store and creating a sketch, think what is crucial to have in your linen closet and see if you need a specific basket for that particular item like I did here. Yeah, we got the summer forever. For a clean, crisp vibe, it's good to have similar baskets for a cohesive look. I wanted to use white natural material with the baskets and a hint of black. And of course, we cannot forget that for that aesthetically pleasing linen closet, our sheets and towels, they need to be nicely folded to have an organized closet. Here I'm showing you a few ways to fold your towels depending on the space that you are working with. This way you have different ideas to organize them.
A new place, a new home, for a while, let me feel alive. Nothing to hold me back, take my time, just enjoy the ride.
One thing that will help to keep you organized is having a place for everything. Have a home for all your items makes it so much easier to keep things tidy on a long-term basis. Investing in some great organizational stuff is a must.
Oh, I feel so alive. As I reach out to the sky. I found my way. I was in the dark against it all, but made it through the day. Cause I found my way. In bad times, I know I'll be okay. Cause I found my way. My way. I was in the dark against it all, but made it through the day, cause I found my way. I found my way. In bad times, I know I'll be okay, cause I found my way. Cause I found my way. Cause I found my way. My way, my way. My way, my way. Cause I found my way. My way, my way. My way, my way. I found my way. I found my way. I was in the dark against it all, but made it through the day, cause I found my way. I found my way. In bad times, I know I'll be okay, cause I found my way.
The sun's going down as I try to make my way through the crowd. Feeling alive, I love being by your side. It makes me shine.
Now let me show you how to fold fitted sheets. You want to lay out your sheets elastic side up, grab the two corners where you see the seam, place your hand under the seam and just tuck the bottom corners under the top corners. Flatten out your sheets and you kind of make a horseshoe with the seams. Take the bottom edge and fold it halfway up your sheets. Top half and fold it in half, and then by doing this you created like a pocket. Grab that other half and place it in the pocket. For the fitted sheet, it's basically the same method, but much easier. You just fold your towel twice in half, place it on your bed, and then you're going to create the same pocket to add your fitted sheet and your pillowcases.
We got one summer, so let's make it count. You make me feel like everything's alright. Let's dance our problems away in the night.
This also creates a pocket with the fitted sheet and the flat sheet to add your pillowcases, just in case you need to change it without using the sheets. And of course you can add it as well in between the fitted sheet and the flat sheet. This is a great way to have the whole set folded.
Summer forever.
Maybe you're wondering, where am I putting all the stuff that I removed from this closet? And that's coming up in another video where I organize under the bathroom sink, and this is where all these products are going to go. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and stay tuned for that video.
'Cause I know that your love is endless. It might be over tomorrow.
Let's go back to see how this closet used to look like this morning. And this is the after.
I'll be dreaming about this till the end of time. We are young, we are free, down for the ride. Might be over tomorrow, but we got to stay forever.
I hope you got inspired with this video to declutter and organize a neglected space in your home. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing, share it with a friend, give me a thumbs up, follow me on Instagram at Inspirationbycp for daily inspiration. God bless you, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.
You couldn't stand tall, so why didn't you call? So many years gone by, but I think about you all the time. Looks like you're changing and all